Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. I am your host Sri. Today's video is all about one of the most common questions people ask me. How can I learn English? Whether you are a student, a working person, or just someone who wants to speak English confidently, this video is for you. I will share simple, practical steps that anyone can follow to learn English. You don't need expensive classes or big books. You just need the right method, a little time every day, and the will to learn. Let's get started. Step 1. Why English is important. English is the language of business, travel, and the internet. If you know English, you can talk to people from many countries. You can find more jobs and study in good schools. Also, many great books, movies, and songs are in English. So, learning English is a good idea. It will help you in many ways. Step 2. Start with simple words. If you are a beginner, start with simple words. Learn names of things around you like table, chair, pen, phone, food, and water. Use flashcards or mobile apps to learn 5 to 10 new words every day. Don't worry about hard grammar in the beginning. First, just learn to understand and use easy words. Step 3. Practice speaking. Many people feel shy when speaking English. That's okay. To get better, you need to practice. Speak English with your friends, family, or even in front of a mirror. You can also talk to yourself. For example, say, I am going to the market, or I am cooking food. This helps your brain get used to English. Step 4. Listen every day. One of the best ways to learn English is by listening. You can listen to English songs, watch English cartoons, or listen to English podcasts. Choose something simple. If you don't understand everything, it's okay. Try to understand the main idea. Listen every day. Your ears will slowly get used to the sounds. Step 5. Watch English videos. Watch English videos with subtitles. This helps you understand how people speak and how words are used. Start with simple YouTube videos or children's shows. Read the subtitles, listen carefully, and try to repeat what the speaker says. This will help you speak better English over time. Step 6. Read simple books. Reading is also a great way to learn. Start with children's books or easy English stories. These books use simple language. Read slowly. Use a dictionary if you find a new word. Try to understand the story. Reading will help you learn new words and grammar without stress. Step 7. Write every day. Writing helps you remember what you learn. Write a few sentences every day. You can write about your day, your favorite food, or your plans for tomorrow. Use simple English. Don't worry about mistakes. The more you write, the better your English will get. Step 8. Use a notebook. Keep a notebook just for English. Write new words and their meanings. Write example sentences. Review this notebook every week. This helps you remember and use what you learn. Step 9. Learn some grammar. After you learn some words and sentences, start learning basic grammar. Learn about I am, you are, he is, and so on. Learn how to make questions and negative sentences. Don't try to learn all grammar at once. Just learn little by little. Step 10. Use apps and tools. There are many apps that help you learn English, and YouTube channels like this one can be very helpful. Use your phone to learn English when you have free time. Even 10 minutes a day can help. Step 11. Practice with real people. Try to speak with people who know English. Join an English club or online group. You can find people on websites who want to practice English. Speaking with real people is the best way to learn fast. Step 12. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Many people are afraid to speak because they think they will make mistakes. But mistakes are part of learning. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes. So don't worry. Just keep trying. Every mistake is a step forward. Step 13. Stay positive and keep going. Learning a new language takes time. Sometimes you may feel tired or slow. That's okay. Just keep learning a little every day. Stay positive. One day, you will be able to speak English with confidence. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to learn English step by step, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We will share more easy lessons for speaking, listening, and reading English. See you in the next video. Keep learning and keep smiling.